Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings because keyboard layouts are managed there. Press Windows key plus I, then choose Time and Language and Language. Once done, you add a language if needed or select an existing one to change its keyboard. Make sure to click Options for that language to view installed keyboards. This shows why you need the language entry. Keyboard layouts attach to languages, so changing here updates input choices system-wide and prepares you for the next step. Now you add or pick the exact layout you want because Windows keeps multiple keyboards per language. Click Options, then add a keyboard and select the layout like US, UK, or a custom variant. This installs it immediately. If you want only the new one, remove old layouts so you won't cycle to them. Once installed, press Windows key plus space to switch and preview. This confirms the change and helps you verify special characters and modifier behavior without closing settings. Finish by ordering your preferred languages and keyboards so Windows uses the right layout by default. Go to Advanced Keyboard Settings to set a default input method or to allow different apps to use different layouts. Make sure to test in Notepad to confirm character mapping. If keys behave unexpectedly, restart Windows, reinstall the language pack, or remove and re-add the keyboard. This resets the layout files. If problems persist, run the keyboard troubleshooter from Settings to repair driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.